What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Meeks here at Universal Studios Hollywood. What's going on, everybody? It's Nico here at Universal Studios Hollywood. I am here to give you an EC update on what's going on with Halloween Horror Nights, lots of facade work, and vehicle movement for Fast and the Furious Hollywood Drift. So enough of this, let's get right into the video. We begin this update over at Tapad, where the rumored Scarecrow the Reaping is to be. The shingling on the other side of the roof has been completed. There's still a lot of work to go, but it's good to see the progress. There's a lot of mist going on, but this is the look at the Jurassic World queue. It's not giving me any WWE vibes. If anything, it's giving me more Amazonian, like shack type shelters. Possibly this could be Creature from the Black Lagoon. We don't know. This has been the biggest mystery for us so far. There's been nothing as of yet for a Universal Monster house or scare zone, and we've had one since 2018, so not seeing one this year would be very weird. This mist is really messing everything up, but I understand why.
Another thing is, in the deep south, lath and plaster walls were very common. So this right here looks like a lath and plaster wall. Also, thatched roofing was pretty common in the deep south. So the roofing looks like that, thatched roofing. So it kind of throws out my whole theory of Creature from the Black Lagoon, but I'm hoping. I still have my hopes up for it.
We have a much more detailed look at the facade now for Jason Unlimited that was announced last week. Here we have Jason's shack, and detailing is progressing very well. It looks great. So I was upset because the older shack, the entryway is on the right, but the more I think about it, I don't think this house will have anything to do with the older films. This is a new take on the Jason universe, and I think a lot of the kills inside will be their own, but will have little nods to the previous films. I don't think any kill in there will be exact replicas of Jason's kills in the previous movies.
Another thing I didn't see until John Murdy pointed it out was the circles on the ground. So there's gonna be some possibly big trees in the facade, and you could see the pathway leading into Jason's shack.
The sick Freeden Roy vehicle is now on the Starway half loop. It just looks insane. And all it is a lap bar. All it is a lap bar that is holding you in to this ride. Yeah, I don't know how I'm going to be doing on this one. Honestly, just look how insane it looks with the vehicle right there, right above the lower lot sign. This whole coaster is going to be wild! Universal Orlando just announced an original house called El Artista, a Spanish haunting. In 19th century Spain, a tortured artist moves into an isolated country manor for inspiration, but the art comes alive and possesses him. But do not worry, Hollywood, we have our third straight mausoleum facade here in Parisian Courtyard. The facade is looking great. There's a lot of detailing being added. The windows on top, they used to be a lot longer, now are cut in half. A more mausoleum style facade. It looks like the bricks and the rocks are going to be showing a more deteriorated mausoleum, unlike previous years where I think the mausoleum facades are just getting older and older and more decayed and run down. But it sure is looking like a mausoleum. The detailing is looking great, and I can't wait to see what it looks like when it's done. But it's just getting kind of repetitive and kind of old that we're not getting more true originals here in Hollywood. Across the way from the DreamWorks Theater where Kung Fu Panda Adventure is, the Toothless Photo Op opened up. Here you could get a photo with Toothless. So that's going to do it for me here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Let me know in the comments below what you think the other houses are going to be. The sick Freeden Roy vehicle is moving around the Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift track, and not much going on in H-Lot 1, H-Lot 2, and the doors for the rumored Five Nights at Freddy location are closed. So if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below what you think about this season and the construction, and hit that subscribe button as well. It will really help me out. And with that, I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.